Now let us take the details. In first round, there are 60 voters cast their vote for A and 24 voters cast their vote to D. Right. So because D got the least number of votes in the first round, he lost the election in the first round. So when we compare the total number of voters with 1 and 2, there is only one person is out of the total election. Since the total number of voters in second round is 163, the total number of voters in the first round must be 164. The difference is because the D lost the eligibility, that difference of 1 is reflecting in the total number of voters in round number 1 and round number 2. Now look at the difference between the total number of voters from second round to third round. That comes to 16. Obviously that one vote, that is C, because C got the least number of votes in the second round, he lost the eligibility, and 15 more voters lost their eligibility to cast their vote in third round. Okay. Now, so how we can split the 15 voters? The second criteria of losing the eligibility is if any voter casted their vote for any person, if he is changing his preference, he can change his preference only for once. In this case, we can assume that 15 voters, they casted their vote for D in the first round, and same people, same 15 members voted for C also in the second round. That's why they are out of the election from second round to third round. The second round, the voters voted for C are 24 plus 15. 15, these are the voters who voted for D in the first round, now they are voting for C. So actually 24 voters, they voted for C in the second round, which is 75% of the total voters voted towards C. So the total number of voters voted for C in first round, it comes to 32. So that 25% of the voters voted for C in the first round, now they voted for B. So the total number of voters in the second round who voted for B, that can be splitted like 48 plus 8 plus 8. Definitely that 8, we can take it the number of people who voted for D in the first round, now they are with B in the second round. Now come to the third round results. Number of voters supported B in the third round, as it says 64 who voted for B in the second round plus, and it is clearly mentioned the people who voted for C in the first round, 50% of the people, 50% of 32, they are in support of B in the third round. Already 8 people were in the support of B, now 8 more will join B in the third round.